may not be able to suitable job. Now explain.
Okay.
That
From
here
villages to city. कहाँ तक तूने रीड किया है?
Yes, what happened later?
job stuck.
Okay, I know. From villages to cities. Cities attract people from villages because of to see the promise a more अच्छी लाइफ तक उसको
Very good.
विलेजेस वालों को ऐसा है कि हम अच्छी लाइफ चाहिए
Beta, I
हम
want complete communication in English.
they the people in the villages work very hard but sometimes a natural disaster might um, might strike the village and the people may not be able to find their jobs.
Yes, very good.
Yes, they fearful are eager to move to towns and
Agar
cities.
nahi, eager.
Eager to move to towns and cities in search of jobs or better prospects, and sometimes there are natural causes of migration too. For example, a change in climate, foods, or survive storage of water. But moving to a town is not always a good solution, as they may not get the job they they dreamed of, or a place to live. They may not be able to send their children to school, and there could be many other unexpected problems. But traveling to another
Unexpected.
unexpected problems.
Very good.
Okay. Therefore, um, in the area to move the towns and the cities for searching jobs and prosper pets, and they want to
Prospect.
pro,
Prospect.
prospect prospect. They want to live in the cities, so they are finding in the cities jobs and sometimes the natural causes of the migration too. For example, floods, changing seasons, shortage of water, then for shopping, for new job. um, but move but moving to a town is not always a good solution. And they got good solution as they may not get a job in the dream for a
Very
place
good.
to live, so they decide so their children can not to be their children not be go to school, and it cause many unexpected problems. So they decided to live in the village. Sorry, they decided to live in the town and cities. So
Very
in the
good.
town, uh, in the town they find jobs and उसके बच्चे
No
for the
English, only
children's
in
school
English. Okay.
for the
So
children's
from
school.
yes, for the children's नहीं बोलते. For the children only बोलते. Okay. Children
Okay.
is the plural
Children,
form of child. Okay. So S you don't have to give in the children's. Okay.
children school, and they find but in the uh, they were not able to send the children to school, and there was many problems. Thank
Hmm. There are many problems, right?
you.
So all this is from village to the city, right? This is what we learned. Then we saw about Mina's story, and then we saw about nomads. Yes, what are nomads? If you are asked to write a short note on nomads, how will you write? Okay, first of all, beta, Rachita ma'am has given special instructions that you all have to write FA1 exam in the supplementaries. Okay, means
Okay,
it will
and
not be a Google form test. Okay,
okay.
it will be
Yes.
supplementary. The PDF will come in your group on the day of exam. Okay, and that day you have to write in supplementary and then submit it. Okay,
मैम मीन्स हमें एग्जाम सप्लीमेंट देनी है.
supplementary. Yes, you have to write and then you will be asked on that day. You have to come and submit to the teacher the hard copy. Okay, don't send the photos. When the exams will be there, we'll send you the question paper on in the group. Then you have to write in the supplementary and then give it to us.
And
Okay,
ma'am, this exam only we have to write in supplement.
For all exam.
that will be
Means
informed. Okay.
okay, because
Yeah.
I think Zainab ma'am was telling that in the Google form we have to write.
Okay. No, now you have to write in supplementary. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Hello. What are nomads? I explain you about nomads. Who will say me? Insha Bora will say. Read and say.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Will you read the nomads part?
Ma'am, can I read?
Insha Bora is there.
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, can I read Malada Aisha?
Yes, Malada. Aisha, you can.
Okay, ma'am. Not
मैम इन
all
मलाला
people
आइशा से
migrate
बहुत ही आवाज
from
आ रही
one
है.
place.
Hmm. Malada Aisha,
One
please mute your
place.
mic.
Ma'am, can I read Himanshu? Ma'am, can
No,
I
the
read
girl.
Balachmiza?
The girl continue. Fiza, read beta.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम निदा राजानी है ना उसमें से बहुत ही आवाज आ रही है.
Okay, ma'am. Nomads. Not all people migrate from one place to another to find jobs or due to some emergencies. There are many communities in in the world which move from one place to place according to the seasons in search of food, water, and grazing land. They are known as nomads.
Very
Nomads
good.
do not live at
Live, nahi,
one
live,
place
live. Live, nahi, live.
live at one place all the time. They constantly move, taking their belongings with them, so they do not build permanent homes. They live in tents and caravans. Nomads mainly travel to find work of themselves, find food and water of their herds or of animals. It is interesting to note the nomads generally travel with their animals. They always have dogs with them too. Can you say why?
Yes. So who are nomads?
Ma'am, can I say?
Who is it?
Keshu and Fatima, can I say?
Yes, you can say.
Not all people migrate from one place to another to find jobs or due to some emergency. Yes, ma'am, can I say?
Yes, you were not audible.
Not all people migrate from one place to another to find jobs or due to some emergencies. There are many communities in the world which move from one place to place according to the season in search of food, water, and grazing land. They are known as nomads.
Yeah, very good. So who are nomads? They move from one place to another place, right? According to what, beta?
What, ma'am?
According to what do they move?
To the season
Why according to the season?
in search of food and grazing land.
Yes, yes. In search of food and grazing lands. Grazing lands is for the domesticated animals. Okay. Now, why they move from one place to another? Because they live such a lifestyle. So only they are called nomads. We are not called nomads. Although we move from one place to another place, if our parents get transferred, right? We move from one town to the another town. But that does not mean we are nomads, right? We are the people who move because of transfer, right? Right or wrong?
Right.
Right? So there are certain communities, certain people, uh, okay, who move from one place to another place according to the seasons in search of food, water, and grazing land. And especially they are known as nomads. Okay, to find work from them for themselves, to find food and water for their herds of animals. Now, these are some fascinating facts. Okay, okay. Do you know many people take up a job for a short period of time in the casual cities? They are called casual migrant workers. Okay, now fascinating facts. Nomadic communities in India comprises 7% of the country's population. How much population? 7%. Some of them do farming, while others are engaged in non-farming activities. What are others engaged in?
No farming
Non-farming.
activity.
Yes. Here's a list of some of the nomads in India. Gujars of Jammu and Kashmir, Godis of Himachal Pradesh, Dhangas of Maharashtra, etc. Yes. Now we will see this part. That is the last part of the lesson. Yes, yesterday you got no, the PDF of question answers,
Yes,
lesson and
ma'am.
question answers. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can I read Baloch Miza?
Yes, Baloch pizza. Baloch pizza. Yes, better continue.
Not to the teacher with the help of political map of India. Help children in identify the previously maintained state. Not all people move because of a problem. Sometimes the adults in the family get transferred to stay to another place in such a situation. Man, what is this?
Some जो भी spelling ना आए बेटा, try to read the spelling so that you'll be able to learn the pronunciations.
Ci- Citizen the
Situation,
citizen the
situation.
family citizen. The family also has the move to a new place. There can be another reasons too for such migrate. One of the parents get a new job in another town. Either parent starts a new business. Sometimes people shift to be close to old grandparents or another relatives.
Very good. Anisha Bora, it was right.
Ma'am, can I read Fatima Bahajat?
No. So, as I explained you previously, like if one of the parents get a new job in another town, either parent starts a new business. Sometimes people shift to be close to old parents or other relatives, and also everyone gets transferred, right? All this is about what, beta? Transferring from one city to another city, which is known as another city to another, that is known as migration, or it is also known as human migration. Am I clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Chala, any doubt till
Yes, ma'am.
here? Anyone?
No, ma'am. मैम
हाँ बेटा.
आपने चैप्टर 2 की जो पीडीएफ भेजी है उसमें नीचे क्वेश्चन आंसर तो वो है वो फेयर बुक में लिखने के हैं
हाँ बेटा. Everyone has to copy in fair book, बेटा.
ओके मैम ओके मैम
Chala, any doubt till here?
नो मैम